I'm back over here at the drills, I did forget to mention one actually quite major issue. The safety hammer idea to take your surface core will work, and it's a great idea. It's a great way to do it. You just drive your casing in with your cat head and your safety hammer or your SPT hammer. Drive that casing in. I do have casing here that we ordered in for you. I don't know if you want it or not. Maybe I can walk over there then and do a video beside it, but it's not the correct casing. I'm going to need to drive casing with a drive shoe so that you can use as the cat head and the safety hammer to drive it. The two major issues I forgot is to run a safety hammer, you need a cat head. Sprague & Henwood doesn't have a cat head. We can put a cat head on it. We've got a cat head on a Mobil B52 Outback. B52 sold, but the gentleman that bought it, I believe, is doing water well drilling, so I can probably buy the cat head back and put it on the Sprague & Henwood, and you'll be in great shape. I mentioned the swinging head. I forgot about that too. That you can swing out of the way for your longer drill strings, for your, to have more room to work and stuff. There's a couple different ways that apply, but anyway, the issue with the cat head is you really need a mast. You need a mast like the B40L, Mobil B40L, the Mobil B52, or the Explorer 300 have. You might be able to make something in Ethiopia, some sort of mast, some sort of metal structure to handle the weight, because what you need from the cat head is a pulley up there on the mast, a sheave, a wheel for the rope to go through, because the rope goes, say the cat head's mounted right here, it's not, but say we mount it here, just speaking that way. You'll need the rope of the cat head going up to the top of the mast and then down, okay, to the safety hammer, so that you can lift up and down. Obviously, if it's just on the cat head, that'll be right over here. Your safety hammer's pulling side to side. That's not going to work. So you are going to need a mast of some sort. Let me know. Do you want us to quote putting a mast on the Mobil Sprague & Henwood or on the Mobil B24? Or will you be making some sort of mast with a pulley or sheave in Ethiopia to be able to run that safety hammer, to take that sample, to take that surface sample, since neither of these rigs is large enough to run the PQ3 system you describe. That's for the Sprague & Henwood. The B24 has a cat head, okay? We can add a mast. All the same applies, except for one thing. The B24, we don't think this cat head's going to be able to handle the 140-pound slug of the safety hammer. We think it's going to heat right up, and you're going to have a problem. The Mobil drill person that was here today is confident that this cat head, this small cat head on the B24, might be able to use it to handle tools, etc. He says it is not going to hold it's not going to be able to handle the 140-pound safety hammer. So here's what he proposes. You take the safety hammers for the Sprague & Henwood if you want to put a mast on it. Maybe you don't. And the Explorer 300. I mean, we have them here already. You can use them and get what you're looking for, if that'll work for you. And then for the Mobil B24, use what's called a Shelby tube. A Shelby tube